Are you interested to check your subscribers on your channel? In this video, we are going to see how you can find who subscribe to your YouTube channel using mobile app. All you have to do is open YouTube app on your phone. Before moving on, make sure your app is up to date. Once YouTube app is open, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. This will take you to your account page, where you can confirm which channel you are currently using. If it's not the channel you want to check, simply tap on the drop-down option right here and switch to another account. Once you're on the correct account, tap here to view your channel details. This will open your channel homepage. Here, you will see a section where your subscribers are displayed. Tap on it. From here, you will see a list of your channel subscribers. Keep in mind, you will only see subscribers who made their subscriptions public. You can also sort them by subscribe account. So, that is how you can check your YouTube subscribers.